Hello everyone and my dear SSLC students who are going to write your SSLC board examination of the year 2021. I feel it's my pleasure to explain about the SSLC examination pattern and filling of the OMR sheet for all the deserving students during this pandemic situation. My dear students, today I am going to give the important information regarding the update of the examination 2021 as per the reduced syllabus and new pattern of exam. So as you are seeing here, so this is the OMR sheet of the year 2021. Just it is a sample one. So Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board. So important instruction and example. So how you are going to fill the OMR sheet? So this maybe few of you are getting doubt about the filling of this OMR sheet. So at the top of the OMR sheet, you may come across like this. So OMR sheet 81E mathematics. So just this is the subject code of the mathematics or any other subjects. They are having different subject codes. It will be provided in your admission tickets. So again there will be a photo. You need to check whether the given photo is yours or not. Again you need to fill your name, so like this. So and if you want to fill OMR sheet, always use the ball pens. Again you need to fill the register numbers whatever you will get in your admission tickets, SATS ID and center code address. So after getting your admission ticket, you will come across what to fill in this box. Again CC or if is nothing but regular fresher. So again data of examination, it will be provided in the OMR sheet and also admission ticket. So again subject name and code. So as per your subject code and your examination you will get. So again question paper version. So here you are having four different versions, A B C D. So like this the question papers you will get. So again, so whatever the paper you will get, it will contains three subjects or three languages and 40 questions for each subject and each language. For example, science you will get 40 questions, social 40 questions and mathematics 40 questions. So totally 120 marks, and here you are able to see four different kinds of boxes. So each box contains a maximum of 10 questions. And see here one more box you are seeing here, absent shade. See, don't go to shade this box. So if you shade this box means it indicates that you are absent. Again, see, after getting the question paper and after filling all these instructions, so go to bottom of the OMR sheet. So here, so this is very important. You are seeing student signature. So after entering all the information above, before going to write the answers, you should sign your name or put your signature in this box, and you should get the room invigilator signature. So who is going to invigilate you should get the signature. So this is very important. If you're not done, the paper is not going to be evaluated. So again, how to fill the OMR sheet? So most of you are getting confusion of this only. Say for example, in the question paper, for the first question you will get four different kinds of options. So A, B, C, D, different types of answers you will get. Among the different types of answers, so the answer which is present in this option B may be right. So for example I am saying, so how to fill this answer? So come to OMR sheet, see the question number first, then for the first question select the answer and see the option of that answer. If it is a B, first encircle the B, again go to shade inside. So this is the easy method of shading. So or else if you start to shade from the middle, you cannot be shaded. So this is the easy method to share the OMR sheet easy. And for the fourth question, if the option C is right, that means whatever the answer which is present in option C, if it is right, so come to fourth question. By looking at the fourth question, so see the option. If it is a C option, go to C option, encircle, then shade inside. So this is the easy method and right method of the shading answers by using this OMR sheet. Say after filling, if any answer is, if you are finding answer A is suitable for fourth or answer D is suitable for fourth, you cannot change the answer. In case if you are write this into marks, so the answer cannot be accepted. Or if you are writing any right mark, this answer also cannot be accepted because it is totally computerized evaluation. Once if you are selected any answer, so you cannot change it. And if you are writing one more answer for the same question, this cannot be accepted by the computer evaluation. So because of this reason only, read the questions carefully, find out the answer. After verification only you need to fill the answer. For one question only one answer is enough. If you fill more than one answers, the evaluation cannot be done for the particular question. So this is same in case of science or say for example science. So the same thing, you will get student name, register number, candidate type. Or if it is a Kannada, if it is a social or maths, the same method can be followed. So for filling of all these information, you must use ball pens only. Don't use the ink pens and also gel pens. So don't do any overwriting on this OMR sheet, as this OMR sheet is evaluated by the computer. So I hope this information will give you some of the important clear picture of your 10th examination board. Thank you, children.